Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we make signal animation in PowerPoint. Before start lesson, we humbly request you please like video, subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more updates. So let's start our today lesson. Control and new slide open. Control A and remove by default text. Close this panel. Go to insert and draw here rectangle. One corner to another corner. Go to format, shape outline, no outline and fill with yellow color. Again go to insert and shape and draw here basic arrow shape to shape it here now. Press same time control and shift. Draw here signal. Go to format, no outline and fill with dark pink color. Go to more color, standard and here pink. Press OK. Now select and go to animation, fade, start with previous, increase duration 2.50 and right click here this object. Again go to animation panel, right click, go to effect options or timing, repeat until slide end, press OK. Now again select our object, Control D, duplicate, Control D and more, duplicate object. Same time go to animation panel and select our second object and increase delay time for better improvement. Ping this panel. Zero 0.25, 0.75, 0.1, 1.25, 1.50. Control C, Control V, 0.75, 0.2 and last 2.25. So let's start. Our work has been finished now. Animation complete. Press F5 and check our today lesson. This is very amazing. I hope you learn a new thing in this lesson. So thanks for watching.